Dimela, welcome back to Sona class. Today we are going to talk about the real stuff. So, if you are watching this video, you are probably thinking of going to Botswana, or you are in Botswana, or you know somebody in Botswana and you are interested and you want to know what's up there. So, today I am going to teach you pretty much few things about how you can go about your day. So Botswana is known to be a really safe place to be, safe place to live, to stay, to visit. However, the big cities do have a little bit of mischiefs, a little bit of people who are doing petty thieves. And sometimes these things, they can escalate to somebody end up losing their lives because of a cell phone or some wallet or something. So you want to be able to address these issues when they happen to you, and I do really hope that you don't experience any of this petty people coming your way. So, but in an unlikely case that you're going to be walking around in the city and you have your phone stolen from you, or your wallet or your laptop, anything, you gotta be able to talk to the next person that you see. So, today I am going to talk about a topic that I don't really like to talk about, which is mischief, or should I just call it thievery or stealing? Yes. So, the word that we're going to learn is lehod. Lehod. Lehod mean thief. But what if there are like 3 people that robs you? Then you're going to say mahod. Mahod. It's thieves. What if there's people that they just didn't steal anything, but they are doing something that they're not supposed to be doing? In that case, we are going to call them dirukuti. Dirukuti. I was thinking of the word dirukuti and trying to translate it to Setswana, to English, and be like, what can we call dirukuti? So burukuti, it's like a whole thing of incidents, right? Like it's somebody who's maybe trying to steal, rape, doing all these things, and maybe sometimes they don't succeed, or they go in like a large number trying to like do all these things. So they are Kidirukuti, Didiraburukuti. So it's just like a group of people that are thugs, gangs. That's the word. So gangs or thugs who are just walking around doing all these little petty thefts. So Dirukuti, Burukuti. So what about rape and all that? So a rapist is situbeti. Situbeti. It's unlikely that you have like a group of rapists in one place, but you're going to call them D2Bs. D2Bs. I hope I'm correct on this one, but I think that's the word that you always hear in the news, and when the police are warning the public about it. What else in this topic? But in that case, you are going to ask for mapodisi or lepodisi, or badisa dikaho, like security guards, depending on where you are. You're going to say, ke kopa thuso, ke utswetswe ke magodu, or ke kopane le magodu, or dirukutlhi di batla go ntsela dithoto. So it's just like one of those words that you're going to choose. But I know I sound really vague right now because of all these things. I really don't like talking about this type of thing because I don't like that type of lifestyle. But it has to be said, if you are going to the cities of Botswana, like the bigger cities, then you know what to look out for. So I would say though, I can give you a few tips on how to avoid this type of incidents. So the first thing is that you don't go to places that you don't know of, and if possible, ask somebody to go with you to like places that you don't know, especially if you are walking, and especially if you are like a lady. In most cases, ladies are the ones that are like the easy targets to this type of mischiefs, and. Yeah, the other thing is just like use public transportation, designated public transportation. You will know this public transportation by the blue plate numbers. So just look for the blue plate numbers, then you know that's a public transport, and the chances of you getting robbed in those type of transportation are very low. So yeah, I hope that will help you when you are going to Botswana, and you will know a few words about this. So I am going to make a really like a clear video in this topic. So go fitela re kopana ha mona kong e tlang. Salang sentle. Go siame.